Hi everyone, this is Selena, the founder and one of the instructors here at CE Institute. And today I'm going to show you how I might make some floral water for different bodywork or aesthetic services from some of the natural ingredients I've been harvesting on my own. As a certified holistic therapist of over 30 years, I felt it was time to not just buy things out of the grocery store through spa supply chains. I'm actually, for a more natural and holistic experience, going to start creating these concoctions myself. Now, to do so, I have a rose garden that I've acquired, and I also have quite a few fruit trees that I have planted. And today I got my first Cara orange right here. Now, as a aromatherapist, to make orange essential oil, we're going to take the pith, which is this white, kind of like a spongy texture in between the rind of the orange, which is the outer texture that protects the fruit, and the pulp inside, which is regularly considered edible. Now, you want to be touching all this if you want to make some fresh fruit for your clients at your bodywork establishment. That would be a great way to use the entire fruit, is to serve it in addition to using the pith. And you could probably even grind some of the rind to add to aromatherapy bodywork concoctions to make it more fragrant. But to make a floral water, I'm using a glass bowl today so you can see a little bit better. Usually I would have a metal bowl, because metal bowls, when you're using warm water for rinses, would keep the temperature of the water longer than a glass bowl might. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply squeeze some of the juice from my Cara orange and swirl it around. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the rose petals that I'm growing from my rose garden here, and I'm going to put these rose petals into my floral water. Now, it's a little breezy out today, so they're probably going to be all over the place. Now, with floral waters, you could use these for a rinse, for a body treatment, especially if you're in a dry room and you don't have a wet room or a Vichy shower. Doesn't that make a nice pretty presentation? You could also, if you're practicing our foot reflexology appointments or advanced foot massage appointment by itself, which we teach here at the school, you could do a foot soak prior to the service to help sanitize the feet before working on them for maybe half an hour. And this is just a nice, wonderful, upgraded experience rather than just putting a squirt of soap and water together. And then you would simply put your sponges or disposable cotton and so forth in the bowl. And make sure whenever you're using sponges or cotton that you don't reuse it. That's a one-time use thing. You dispose of it after each client, build the cost of your sponges and so forth into the price of your service. And that's how you might create a floral water.